Next door, Luke and Jasmine have been motoring along since the island bench was sorted.
All the components of the kitchen are coming together. It's looking amazing, but the cooktop and the range hood are missing, so can't really deliver a luxury kitchen without a cooktop and a range hood. All right, I gotta go find a range hood. So I went looking at Dan and Jade's. Maybe they'd just been dropped off in there. Yeah, by mistake. Knock, knock.
Who's that my house?
Me.
Yeah, you
Got my range hood and my cooktop, you bastard. I'd given him a little joking, oh, mate, did you take my range hood? And then he took it seriously.
What's that got to do with me?
It was in here.
What's that got to do with me?
It was in here.
Off. What's that got to do with me?
I didn't say. No, not that one. My range hood's here as well. I'm coming to get it.
Well, who put them in here?
Settle down, mate.
Coming here swearing. Who brought them in here?
Dunno, mate. Dunno. All good. I'm not accusing you of stealing it, mate. Yeah, I was a bit taken back at how aggressive it was. Just when you picked up my range hood and cooktop that was in there, and he starts spraying me. It went south pretty quickly. So I got a bit miffed. Yeah, we left on pretty crap terms, and yeah.
I didn't realise the stone guys had stored everyone's gear in the corner of my house here, and there's plenty of boxes and junk in here from opening up today, and Luke come in here, and I was in the butler's pantry, and I heard his voice, and I got into him straight away, like, what are you doing in here? And I think he sort of might have thought I was going at him a little bit for being in here, but his range hood was in here, but I didn't realise it was tucked in the corner. So if I'd known that, I would have hidden it a bit further back in there. Nah, it's all good. I just thought I'd just swing by, mate, and make sure you didn't have the grumps with me. I thought you went out a bit serious, and I was like, oh, did that go wrong then? I was like, whoops.
I thought you were having a massive go at me, mate.
Don't be grumpy, Dan.
There was
be happy, Dan.
There was no one grumpy in there.
Happy Dan.
Happy Dan.
Or what?
Yeah, I just got my dudes working, so.
Angry Dan's come over and said, look, mate, you know, just
Angry
before
Dan's come over to say sorry.
He's come over and said, like, did you take that the wrong way before? I was like, well, yeah, just water off a duck's back.
So he asked if you took it the wrong way?
Well, I didn't take it the wrong way. If you get yelled at, you get yelled at. So, but I'm right, I don't take it personally, so.
Oh, yeah, no dramas. I said we'll catch up probably about 10 o'clock once we've got a couple of coats on for a beer. But, nah, look, if you're going to sweat over something like that, mate, there's no point being here.